All right, let's go have some fun and get on a laser now. All right, so we're in Inkscape. Now we have to get to the laser. There's one thing we have to do differently between this and lasers than just printing to a normal printer. So first off, we have to go to File. From File, you're going to go to Save As this time. Save As. We're going to come down here and Save As type, change this to PDF, Portable Document Format. So make sure it's changed to PDF, hello world.pdf. We click Save. Okay, and just click on OK. Now, from here, what we're going to do is get into Adobe Acrobat Reader software. Now, there's many ways to do this. So the easiest way for me to show you instead of going through stuff is I've already opened up over here File Manager, right, or Windows Explorer. So, and I've gone and navigated from my OneDrive down to Woodwork, from Woodwork, my Hello World, and I'm going to right mouse click on it and go Open With and Acrobat Reader. Okay, so there we are. Now, once we've done that, don't have to do anything else. It's just a quirk of the program. We go to File. From File, we go to Print. This is where it's going to be different between us. I renamed it VLS 3.50 at Highland. You're going to have it called something else. Okay, and we click on Print, and away it goes. Now, software-wise, again, different places to find stuff. It's called UPC, Universal Laser System. So if I minimize this, and I minimize all these things right now, okay, on my desktop, I have one right here called UCP. And if anything, we can just type in the Start button down here, that as well. So just double click it, and in it comes. And you can see right away that my outline is coming in red, my black is coming in as black. If the red is not here and you know it's supposed to be cutting, then you got a problem. You go back to Inkscape and you check your colors and your line thicknesses to make sure that it's 0.001 and the color red in RGB. Okay, from here, we're going to go to Settings. From Settings, Manual Control. And the red, we're going to set. Okay, Power, never go to 100%. We're going to go to 90. And speed, I think we're going to go to about 5. Okay, 5% for the material that we're going to use that I'm going to give you. Okay, and there'll be a sheet up on the wall with various materials and settings for down here. So power is how strong the laser is. Speed is how fast it's going. PPI, think of PPI as pulses per inch. So in other words, if I set PPI here to 5 over an inch, it would only pulse 5 times. Okay, so you got to sit there and play with these numbers. 500 works fine, so we're going to leave it. Okay, and then you click on the word set, and you can see now 95 in that. There's a couple other colors on mine. Black is for engraving. So once again, power, never 100%. We're going to go 90. Okay, speed, depending on how deep you want to go, I'm going to go 75%, so I just want a light engrave. Okay, and it's going to do it fast, right? And hit set, and I click on OK, right? A couple other things I can do in here is I can move it around. So let's say that we know that the material has got, someone's already cut out right here. I can then just move this material to where I want to line it up. And you can see the 6 here and whatever. So if I can move down and go, okay, well, there's 3 inches about there and that. Okay. And you can see this point right here matches up to there. So if I wanted it exactly 3, I go 3 there, right? And I wanted this 7, right? And I can put it 7 there to that point there. If I want it to this one, you can see how it's already changed there. Okay, so that's how you can move it around on the piece of paper. And finally, what you can't see is this is called the focusing. And what you want to do is you got to focus a laser, which will be another tutorial. And basically, I just push it somewhere on my material, right? And it won't do it now because the laser's not set up. And basically it would then get to there and I'll show you how to focus actually physically on the spot. So that's kind of how we do things, right? Once again, we can just move it around, right? And the important thing is the colors. So we'll end that tutorial. You are now ready to go and laser cut your project out for the first time.